We have been a part of ESC for over 12 years. Because of ESC, we were able to make our first export and take our business from local to global level. The Council's activities have helped us navigate through 15 international buyer events, which is why ESC is one of the best export focused organizations for MSMEs. In the past year, throughout the pandemic, the Council has been actively promoting international business events to help Indian MSMEs thrive through the bad times. We are really proud to be a part of ESC and look forward to future export events taking place after the pandemic. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you so much.
To ESIC, which kept on organizing buyer-seller interactions with various developing and developed markets in the domain, which being as frequent as once every month, sometimes even more. With an icing on the top of their endeavor, they worked relentlessly to develop e-exhibition platform and organize India Soft 2021 and many other issues for the benefit of its members in their close cooperation. Thank you.
Since the pandemic started, ESC has been on the forefront, keeping the industry together. There's regular dialogues. There's a lot of activity which is going on, which keeps the industry energized, and as well as solving problems for people, considering that this is a time when mobility is an issue. They have been on the forefront, reaching out to government departments, reaching out to embassies to ensure that the members are looked after. I thank ESC for being the backbone behind us, for ensuring that the business is being done seamlessly. Thank you.
ESC has been helping us to build our business. From time to time, they have shared business opportunities with us. Despite being a COVID year, we had a lot of good events and engagements that were organized by ESC. ESC organized web meetings, web expos with countries like UK, Japan, Korea, Vietnam, African countries, Latin American countries, and others. Of course, the India Soft was the best one. ESC also organized some seminars related to knowledge. We look forward for the same effort and guidance from ESC. Thank you.
We have been a proud member of Electronics and Software Promotion Council of India since almost 15 years. We are associated and happy to be with ESC for promoting our business mainly in Africa, where ESC has really put up a lot of efforts. And during this pandemic times also, we are getting good services from Mr. Gurdeep, Mr. Vikas, Mr. Vikrant. We really wish best of luck for ESC.
Whenever we need support from ESC, they are there to support us. We really appreciate ESC. Even during the pandemic, they have organized for events. We really appreciate that. We are hoping to have long-term relationship with the ESC. All the best, ESC. Thank you.
I have been associated with this council for the past 2 years. These past 2 years have been highly fruitful to us. During this period, we could use council's platforms for connecting to potential clients. I believe council has been doing a splendid job in terms of providing us these platforms that help us reach out to the potential customers, given these especially difficult times of pandemic. The council members have been always very accommodative. They have been very forthcoming with their support. I could reach out to them personally, and each time they did their best to assist me in whatever way they can.
And today I would like to extend my sincere gratitude and appreciation to the Secretariat of the Council, the leadership, for taking the extra mile in organizing virtual meetings, virtual expos, business matchmaking events between the industry members in India and the rest of the world, including North America, Southeast Asia, Japan, Africa. These have been truly trying times, but our association has gone that extra mile, ensuring new avenues and new market expansion opportunities for its members. So thank you very much for the commendable work done by each one of you. My sincere gratitude to each one of you. Thank you very much.
I am member with ASC since 2004 and attended event in almost 18 plus countries. When pandemic came in, we thought that this is an end and there will be everything going on a hold. But I must say that the current team of ASC used their all the contacts, used the technology, and kept doing a lot of events which really benefited us, even though this is a pandemic. Thank you very much, ESC.
We've been a member of ESC for more than a decade and have been regularly attending the flagship event of ESC, that is IndiaSoft. We have got our first break from the African continent from one such event organized by ESC in 2015. It's been a great journey so far, and during this pandemic, I think the webinars conducted by the council has been a great source of knowledge, and I look forward to the B2B meetings that the council is going to organize virtually for the Latin American and Caribbean countries. Best of luck. Keep on the good work. Thank you.
We've been a very old member of ESC. We've been working with them and participating with them in various events organized by them internationally and online in this COVID time, and it's been very beneficial. We have grown to over 3,000 people today thanks to the contribution from the entire ESC team. A special thanks to Vikas ji, Gurmeet ji and Vikrant ji, who've been working with us for the past so many years, and the rest of the ESC team. Thank you, ESC. Please keep helping us the same way. Thank you.
We would in fact like to highlight that under the flagship of ESC, we could explore immense business potentials and fruitful augmentation with buyers across the globe during the event of IndiaSoft. And during the pandemic, the Council has organized various business activities to create awareness and has really helped our organization. All thanks to the Council. Wish them good luck.
Council has been instrumental and they conducted many virtual meets. And we got to meet several buyers through that. I'm thankful to Council to be with us in hard times, and I wish that more and more companies avail membership and facilities of the council.
We became ESC members in 2009, and in the last 12 years, we have participated in many international exhibitions and business delegations, which have been very useful in the growth of our business. We currently have partners in more than 30 countries. I wish all the best to ESC in all its future endeavors.
Being a part of ESC from last 10 years, it has given me an immense opportunity to connect to a global market, do a bilateral relationship, understand the international market very well. Specifically in this COVID period, in last 1.5 years, with the help of the virtual conferences, ESC has actually engaged us in a right direction and also helped us in creating a relationship and doing some digital businesses. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Manik Tayal from UKV Electronics, Noida. We are an exporter of power cords and wire harnesses to global markets. We've been associated with ESC for a decade now. Our very initial and first exposure to the international market was through ESC. We attended Electronica with them back in 2014, if I'm not mistaken. So we've been associated with ESC for a long time. So I think it's they provide a very good platform for any new company that's looking to explore a new market. So any company is reluctant exploring a new market. So with the help of ESC, that gives you a platform to go out and explore a new market, yet being covered with ESC in terms of a lot of security. So I think ESC does a great job in the team at ESC organizing seminars, webinars, organizing exhibitions. It's not happening at this point of time, but overall they play an important role in liaising with the government body. So I would like to thank everybody at ESC, a lot of gratitude towards what you do for everybody, and in pushing the Make in India movement and helping us grow. So thank you.